everyone, I hope you have been well. For today's recipe, I have Mexican inspired food, which is tamales. I filled it with ground beef that I flavored with Indonesian spices instead Mexican. So this is kind of a fusion between Mexican food and Indonesian food. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon. Bye. So we're gonna brown ground beef, about 500 gram of them, with 5 garlic and half cup of sliced or diced purple onion. So once the beef is brown, you want to drain the fat, or you can keep stirring it on high heat until the fat totally vaporized. Then stir in about 1 cup or 2 cups of sliced cabbage. More or less is depending to your liking. And we're gonna season it with cumin, fennel, cayenne powder, Maggi seasoning, and sweet soy sauce. So this is tamales with Indonesian twist. So this is half teaspoon of cayenne powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin ground, and half teaspoon of fennel. This is the Maggi seasoning, so just some drops until you hit the flavor. And this is about less than 1/4 cup of soy sauce, Indonesian sweet soy sauce. And you want to add a little water. And we're gonna cook it until cabbage are softened. Adjust the flavor to your liking. More cumin or more fennel, more cayenne pepper, or other seasoning you like. It's up to you. Filling is ready. Let it cool, and let's prepare our masa harina. This filling is also good for rice topping, congee topping or rice porridge topping, also for risol or bread or buns filling. You can use this filling for many things. For the dry ingredients, this is 3 cups of masa harina, 1 teaspoon of cumin ground or cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of salt or 1 teaspoon of salt, it's up to you, and half teaspoon of baking powder. We're just gonna mix this. And then we're gonna add about half cup of vegetable oil and 3 cups of broth. Now the dough is done. We're just gonna place some on the corn husk, soften corn husk, and place some filling in the center, and then we're gonna steam it. Just grab some of the dough and flatten it. And place some filling in the center. And that's about it. You just have to fold it like so. And if needed, you can add a little more dough. And then you pull it up here and then you tie it. And then it will become like this. Now we're gonna steam them for 30 to 40 minutes. Tamale is ready. You just have to serve it with your favorite sauce or as is. I like it with peanut sauce.